Pulse concept is the first-ever aerospace concept car that might require some nuance. Here's a breakdown. Pioneering vision, the Pulse concept by Embraer is certainly a futuristic and innovative design that merges an electric, vertical takeoff, and landing eVTOL aircraft with a detachable ground vehicle. This combined functionality for air and ground travel is a significant concept in the realm of future transportation. Not the absolute first, there have been other concept designs exploring similar ideas of combining air and ground vehicles. However, the Pulse concept's focus on luxury passenger transportation and its sleek, integrated design might make it stand out. Acknowledge potential predecessors. While the Pulse concept isn't the sole explorer of air-ground vehicle concepts, it offers a unique vision for luxury personal transportation of the future. X2 is a luxury private helicopter designed for exceptional performance, safety, ease of flying, and a focus on ownership experience. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Performance and capability. Powerful engine, the HX50 boasts a 500 shaft horsepower engine, providing ample power for takeoff, climbing, and cruising. Mention specific figures for takeoff power and cruise speed if available. Advanced aerodynamics. The rotor design and overall aerodynamics are optimized for efficiency and reduced drag, potentially leading to improved fuel economy and range. Maximum payload. The HX50 can carry a significant payload, mention specific weight, allowing you to transport passengers, luggage, or cargo comfortably. Concept of tire-based flying cars. Transformational design. These vehicles would essentially be transforming vehicles, functioning as a car on the road and an aircraft in the air. Tire functionality. The concept proposes tires that can tilt or change configuration to act as propellers or rotors when the car transitions to flight mode. Challenges and considerations. Technical complexity. Transforming tires into efficient propellers while maintaining functionality on the road presents significant engineering challenges. Safety concerns. The safe and secure transition between driving and flying modes, especially for non-pilots, needs careful consideration. Stratosphere Volatile is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for personal luxury air travel. Here's a breakdown of its key features and what makes it stand out. Futuristic design. Sleek and spherical, the Stratosphere Volatile features a lightweight carbon fiber sphere that gives it a sleek and futuristic appearance. This design also makes it aerodynamic for efficient flight. Transformational potential. Some sources suggest the Stratosphere might have a detachable watercraft base, allowing it to transform from an air vehicle to a watercraft. Double-check this with official sources. eVTOL technology. Electric-powered, the Stratosphere Volatile is powered by electric motors, making it silent and environmentally friendly compared to traditional aircraft. Vertical takeoff and landing. This eliminates the need for runways, enabling takeoff and landing from almost anywhere with a clear space. The Airbus Bird of Prey was a futuristic concept aircraft unveiled in 2019 by Airbus to inspire future generations of engineers and showcase the potential of biomimicry in aircraft design. Here's a breakdown of its key features and its purpose. Biomimicry in action. Eagle inspiration. The bird of prey mimics the aerodynamics and control mechanisms of birds of prey, specifically eagles. This includes its blended wing-to-body design and individually controlled, feather-like, wingtips. Improved efficiency. The biomimicry approach aims to achieve better fuel efficiency and quieter operation compared to traditional airplanes. The OLF Model A is a highly anticipated electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to be the world's first practical flying car. Here's a breakdown of its key features and what makes it stand out. Roadable and flyable. Dual functionality. The OLF Model A aims to be both a road-legal car and a functional flying vehicle. This allows for driving on roads and taking off and landing vertically for air travel. Transition system. The Model A utilizes a unique tilting wing design. Once airborne, the vehicle transitions by tilting its body sideways, transforming the wings into a biplane configuration for forward flight. Electric power. Environmentally friendly. The Model A is powered by electric motors, making it silent during operation and contributing to reduced emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. The Terrafugia TF2 was a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft concept designed for personal transportation. While the TF2 project itself is no longer actively pursued, it remains a significant concept in the history of eVTOL development. Here's a breakdown of its key features and its legacy. Concept and design. Three-part system. The TF2 envisioned a modular transportation system consisting of three parts. A ground vehicle for transporting passengers and cargo to a vertiport landing/takeoff location. A detachable passenger/cargo module. An eVTOL aircraft that docked with the passenger module for flight. Hybrid power. Original plan initially, the TF2 was planned to be a hybrid electric vehicle, utilizing a combination of a gasoline engine and electric motors. However, the company later aimed for a fully electric version, TF2A, in the future. X2 is a fifth-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft developed by Xping Aero, a subsidiary of the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer Xpeng. Here's a breakdown of its key features and what makes it stand out. Designed for personal use. Two-seater cabin. The X2 is a compact eVTOL designed to comfortably seat two passengers. This makes it suitable for personal transportation or short trips for small groups. Urban mobility focus. The X2 is envisioned for use in urban areas, potentially alleviating traffic congestion and providing faster commutes for short distances. Electric power and performance. Zero emissions. The X2 is powered by electric motors, making it silent during operation and contributing to reduced emissions compared to traditional gas-powered vehicles. The Volocity is an all-electric, multi-copter eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed for urban air taxi services by Volocopter GmbH. Here's a breakdown of its key features and what makes it stand out. Urban air taxi focus. Passenger capacity. The Volocity is designed to comfortably seat 2 passengers, making it ideal for short-distance urban transportation. Noise reduction. The electric motors and multi-copter design contribute to significantly quieter operation compared to traditional helicopters. This is crucial for urban environments. Traffic congestion relief. Volocity aims to alleviate traffic congestion in cities by providing an alternative mode of transportation for short trips. Electric power and performance, source variations possible. Electric motors, powered by multiple electric motors for efficient and silent flight. Range and speed, estimates suggest a range of 35 to 65 kilometers, 22 to 40 miles, and a maximum speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. Aviation, a company focused on developing hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft for commercial use by airlines and air operators. Here's what we can potentially explore about OLF Aviation. Focus on commercial eVTOLs. While details are scarce, OLF Aviation appears to be targeting the commercial market for eVTOL aircraft, aiming to provide solutions for airlines and air operators. Their focus might be on larger eVTOLs that can carry more passengers than some personal eVTOL concepts. The goal could be to integrate eVTOLs into existing air travel networks, offering new routes or connecting congested city centers.